Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And as you guys know, Jam Tours is in the Kiambu area in Kenya. And I'm just showing you what I do on a day-to-day basis. As you know, family, so today my brother is going back to the US. I have to drop him to the airport. Another brother who's staying somewhere there, like 2 minutes away. You want to go to photocopy something photocopy something to send back to the US, so I have to take him to do that. I'm actually at the market now. Me and Jamesh come out of the market and I'm in the car. What you in the car do? Tell me what you in the car do. What you doing in the car, Amesh? What you doing in the car? You learn to drive? Eh? Yeah, Amesh? Count from 1 to 10. 1. Count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, family. So I used to live in that apartment over there called Green Zone. I used to live there, and my brother is staying around there, family. Savo. So if you're looking for something cheap and clean, Jam Tours can hook you up. You know what I mean, less than $20 a night. I also have some Kenya chicken right there. So if you come and you don't want to eat this injected chicken, you can eat real Kenya chicken right there, so in a coop. Real Kenya chicken, family. And then we have the market also on Kembu Road where I normally shop for fruits. Today I'm getting this Jam Tour send me a shop today to get banana, green peas, carrot, avocado, and some zucchini and some broccoli. You guys have cauliflower too? You got cauliflower? Okay. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours always try to actually mix things up. You know what I mean? And spice things up. So yeah. So I want to get this family and then I'm gonna pick my brother there. At how much for everything I saw? Add it up and let me see.
1 flour.
Oh no, how much for everything?
Everything.
Yeah.
1800.
Yeah. So family, this will be like 1800 Jamaican dollars. 1,800 Jamaican dollars for all of this. Tell me now. Can you get this for this price in Jamaica? Let me know. Let me know, family. You let me know if you're in the US. Can you pay like maybe this is like $12, $13 for all of this? Let me try one. Yeah. So she can maybe mix it with this. I'm see what she produce. Yeah. So that's cauliflower, broccoli, everything. Real organic. No GMO, no pesticide. You know what I mean? I have a lot of greens here, family, as you can see. Alright, family, let Jam Tours go and go. Yeah, family. So this is Jam Tours Africa. And you guys know say when me I drive, me get a lot of inspiration just downloading my consciousness, family. So while I'm driving now, this is downloading my consciousness now, and I just want to share it with you guys. I just want to share this this download I got, family. So you know, from reading the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, in that book they talk about the industrial age, agrarian age, and all of these age. So first it was the agrarian age, where you don't know, say farming used to run the thing, family. Farming used to run the thing. You know what I mean? Farming is the foundation of life on earth, and we have to get back to that, family. And we see where technology take things right now. So first, agrarian age, everything plant, natural, no chemical, nothing in it, family. Everything is just natural from nature, from God. Just like how God put it, I say you eat it. There's no man that come in with some form of vaccine and some form of a lot of medication for God creation. That's crazy, man. When you think about it, family, you know what I mean? For God creation, you know what I mean? A man is making something for God creation. You know, it's crazy, man. So as I was saying to you guys that we're coming from the agrarian age, and this book I actually learn about like different ages, you know what I mean? But everything was agrarian age. That's the age nature like. You know what I mean? So agrarian age come, you know what I mean? Then you have the industrial age, you start have car, you start have all of these old, you know what I mean? You start have trains and you start have, you know what I mean? So in agrarian age, people used to use like camels and animals and a lot of stuff to do their thing. See what I'm saying, family? So we're going to industrial age right now, and we realize, say, yo, trains start come, all of these railroads start build, the industrial age. And that's where the industrial age actually, the people even get rich in the industrial age, like the Rockefellers and the oil people them and all kind of thing. The railroad rider them and thing, all of these things, you know, Carnegie and all of them thing there. You know what I mean? All of them actually who get rich in the industrial age. It's them actually around the world right now. The industrial age people around the world, and then comes up, boom, they tap it up and say, all right, we are going to the information age, where you have the internet. It's crazy, man. If you guys can actually, you know what I mean, know them things, right? And that's what the futurist is here, family. I'm a futurist. So I'm telling you something right now, you know, so you can understand how to move in this life, family. And if you find that balance and that maha, you're gonna suffer. That maha, you're gonna suffer, family. You're gonna suffer, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Because now we're at the information age right now. And the information age is an age where man start discover. Because the industrial age, you know, is the age where people, man, you know what I mean? Railroad and all of these things start building and thing, and then you have the information age, you know, that give birth to the internet and all of these things, family. So the internet, the information age, create the internet and stuff, and then now the internet family. Yeah, family. So now you have the networking age. No. Now you have the information age, give birth to the networking age, and then the networking age, you know what I mean, give birth to the creation age, the social media age, the digital age. You know what I mean? So the networking age, you know, is when you have these social networks to connect with people. You know, before that, we could even think about coming to Africa, family, because you know nobody in Africa, and even the hotel when you book in Africa is like expensive in the city and all kind of things. So the common man couldn't come to Africa, family, because you know what I mean, the world was networking out. You see what I'm saying? So the internet come up, and as you guys can see, our world is a cycle and it's all gonna come back round and round, family. So if you don't understand these things, you don't know what's going on. You know what I mean? Because you see it for yourself. You know what I mean? Me as a millennials, right now, I tell you no what going on. So now, you guys with all the information age, it give birth to the networking age, and then the networking age give birth to the social media age, family. People are upon social media now. So now it's like social media come, and it created an age right now where as a creative age, family, everybody a create. It's like everybody get a stage of the world, family, to showcase what you got. It's crazy, family. So when I was coming, I get the events, and I'm saying to myself that if we're in the creation age right now, and our African people create everything, Lord Clark, I tell you right now, guys, this information we are going to right now are something we're serious, family, and you guys don't even know. You guys don't even know what I downloaded just now, family. You guys don't even know what I just downloaded. You guys don't even just even know. I'm telling you guys that now we are in the information age. Now we are in the creation age, family. The internet give everybody an expression. They can express themselves. Who got it, who don't got it. But you have the man with the technology where them actually control you, control that. It's them actually control that, you know. But the creation age, family, is very important, because now is where black people start to see they can't suppress. Because back then it was just the media alone, they can show you anything and tell you anything. But because of the networking age that give birth to the social media age, you start to learn the truth. And all of these social networks give you a media for yourself. So now African expression start to pop to the world, family. Everybody start to know that African people are great. Everybody start to know about Africa. Everybody start to want to come back to Africa. Because we are in the creation age, and if it's black people create all things on earth, then what you expect, family? It's a shift. Once we go back to that creation age, now is what black people start to create will rule the world, family. It's just like the industrial age. The industrial age people and them are rule the world right now, family. The industrial people is their money ruling the world. So when you're going to the creative age, that's when African people will get to actually create what's gonna run the world and rule the world, because we are create the most. You see what I'm saying? Because it was start from us. So now we start create back, and we get a platform, to start create for the world to see. I'm gonna drink rum recorder, man, I'm a junkie already, Yeah, family, so my brother ready to move out, and my son enjoying thing. Yeah, man. It's a vibe.
We'll forward back at some point.
Yeah. Alright, family, let's go to the airport.
Oh, what is that?
Arab restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. We have a trouble. This was that block.
Oh, that's so.
Yeah. We back up the restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Granville, so we have said about Kilimani. I tell them so Kilimani is the place.
Kilimani, yeah, it was a spot.
It's a spot.
Once I jump at Kilimani, I didn't move.
You didn't move?
I didn't move from there. I was like, the view was awesome, man.
I'm see you got Giraffe Center and them place like.
Yeah.
A national park too?
We was passing it, but we didn't stop. It's like most of the stuff them they really actually plan.
Yeah,
that's why it goes. Sometimes it's just go to eat. It's better to just freestyle when you go.
In 200 meters, turn left, and then turn right.
Around, but next time I'll do some official things.
But you don't have to get the roots first.
Yeah.
You have to get the street knowledge first. And then
this was cool.
Yeah.
This was cool to just come and vibes with people and just up and down, But Kenya's sweet, man.
Yeah, man.
Kenya's sweet. We enjoy it.
We got the good vibes we have on Sunday night.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Turn left, and then turn right.
We was even there.
So, make a vlog of that thing, Ricardo?
Sunday night thing. Because Sunday night now, we're busy at cook. We start cook late and finally. The preparation I thought was already take place.
Yeah.
We have to go to
In 200 meters, turn right.
Yeah.
We have to get everything ready, stove, gas, everything ready. So you think that everything they did in a place already. No motion, so we come and just prep and cook.
Yeah.
And look like that. So it took all of our time, man. But it was a good vibes.
A good vibes.
Yeah, good vibes. That means
Turn right.
wood fire, we cook on the soup and wood fire, red pea soup.
Yeah.
Wow, sweet.
Yeah, it was nice.
It was nice, man.
Vibes.
Yeah. We cooked some fish, escovitch fish, turbo,
In 200 meters,
fried chicken,
turn left.
rice and peas. What give you? Planting.
Yeah, it was nice.
It was a good vibe.
Hey, have a you get to go?
Yeah, man. She get to go. She have to go to Uber. So it was a good vibes. Like everyone enjoyed themselves. Man.
Turn left.
Everyone.
Yeah, man.
Drink. Everything was there. The juice, food, everything was there.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is the team when you come to Kenya, family. The Jamaican community are built out small by small, little by little. Slowly but surely, we get in there. That's what I'm saying, family. So, continue watching Jam Tours, like, share and comment. Let me know when you're coming to Kenya. Let me know. Alright guys, we're going to the airport.
I love you this much. tell you why I love you so much. Let me tell you why I'll keep you forever. Unamiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani. I miss you that I prayed for. Own a car exactly like what I saw in my dream. La 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 la. La 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 la. Butterfly, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're my forever. You're my forever. Water into wine. Akafanya mambo yake and then later turned you into mine.
So, glad to come to Kenya, man, and get a piece of Africa.
Yeah, man, yeah, definitely was
Heart and soul there.
yeah.
So when you come,
It was good to come back, and I'm definitely will be coming back at some point again.
You have good vibes and connection for you, man.
Yeah. Hey, I wanted to do it for my 50th, so
I respect the gift that they bring. Like,
Yeah, man.
Manners and respect.
yeah. Now I know
10 time a million
it's
time,
we don't have the Jamaican things them over here, so you know.
so you come back, you know,
Next time I come back, I can bring a little thing.
it's a little peppers.
Yeah, definitely.
The
I'll
fish
bring-
and crackers, okra.
You can go
The
this side.
Africa will
You
bust
can
it
go
over
there.
here, man. Them taste fish and crackers.
Here down there, so right? Here around there, so.
Eat.
This side.
So, you know, one
Yeah, I think
international
E,
flight,
E.
one. Eat over the side.
Here?
Over the side, eat there.
That's
C-
1D.
Two international
So
flights.
E must be going around. See, that's 1C, 1D.
The E go
C,
around.
D,
So
E. So E are the next
E
one.
must be the next one. Set up kind of different.
This is the man change up the airport. And the old man do that.
Yeah.
Because the
Do I have?
Yeah, Granville actually take out everything. I see I travel back light.
Yeah.
We asked to me.
Because
Yeah, things say
$250 when I was coming because I had so much.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'll just
I think the man have more things in the carry card. That's why we never move yet or signal. Yeah.
I don't want to go.
When I go back, light family, light.
And just me.
Yeah,
I don't even
yeah.
have to wait. I have
Yeah.
my scale.
Yeah.
I don't even have to wait.
traveling light is better than traveling heavy.
Yeah. Your family, so.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, skill.
Yeah.
So Granville is
I don't
off.
have to wait.
You know what I mean? Tell them how you experience Jam Tours
Oh,
Granville.
man. Jam tour was cool.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I didn't feel lost from day one. So
Yeah.
you come in, these guys know their way around, and they'll point you in the right direction. So,
Yeah.
You know, anyway, you need a place to stay, get around the city, do your transaction.
Yeah.
If you want, they're there.
Yeah.
So it's good. Listen, for my 50th, I decided, you know what I mean, I'm gonna come back to the motherland,
Yeah.
and I'm glad I came.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna definitely come back too. So
For sure,
you
for
know,
sure.
Kenya is a vibe. Kenya is nice.
Yeah.
You know, so
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. We out family. Big up Jam Tours. One love, God bless Jamaica. I'm out, man.
yeah.
Guidance, Ja guidance.
Definitely.
And you know what I
Till
mean?
next time.
Till next time.
All right.
Yeah, man. That's how it go.
Yeah.
All right.